Today we're going to look at some prepping and survival items you need to stock up on. First up is camp cookware. If you're forced to leave your home for a long period of time due to an emergency, you'll need to cook food and boil water. So having lightweight pots, pans, or stainless steel water bottles will be a good idea. With the pots and pans, you will obviously need a stove, so you should have a small emergency stove that uses fuel tabs or chafing fuel cans. These stoves and camp cookware can easily fit in your bug out bag and be ready to use at any time. Solar generators. These are expensive but extremely useful. After the collapse, you won't have electricity to power your devices, like electric stoves, portable AC units, rechargeable lanterns, flashlights, and any other electronic device. So a solar generator will be your best option for electricity because you don't have to worry about using gas on a gas generator. When it comes to bartering, if people don't have a generator and need to charge their devices, some people will be willing to trade a little bit of their supplies or some type of service in exchange so you can charge their devices for them. Electric bikes. After SHTF, you will need to go out and hunt, gather water, go for supply runs in the city, and scout possible areas to relocate. An e-bike will make it much easier to get around, especially if you're going long distances, because these can travel up to 80 kilometers, and I doubt anyone wants to walk that much. So with the e-bike, you won't be as limited on how far you can travel as you would be if you just walked. The one I have here costs about $1,000 brand new, but if you can find one used, it's like $300 cheaper. You can charge these up with your solar generator. Gas masks. Depending on which one you get and what filter you use, they can be useful for chemical and biological protection, nuclear fallout, infectious diseases, industrial accidents, riots, and emergency evacuations. I like these parcel safety gas masks because they have the perfect balance of quality and affordability. If you want to check them out, I'll have the link in my link tree with a 20% off discount code. For prepper use, which is me and you guys, I would go for the ST100X, which comes in different colors. My favorite color is the one I have here, which is smoke black. Binoculars. Say after SHTF you're looking at a spot like a department store or warehouse that you need to go into for supplies. You can use your binoculars to check the area and make sure there isn't any danger, like armed people around there, before you get too close. You don't want to find out after you show up. Or say you're at your camp and maybe you see something far away. You pull out your binoculars and make sure it isn't something like a group of bandits coming your way to take your stuff. There are so many uses for binoculars, so I think it's a good idea to pick one up. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.